Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Lady Calls 911 after her daughter did this to her. So let's get into the video. Let's see what this is. Let's do it, man.
This daughter hit her mother multiple times because she wouldn't give her money to buy crack. What officers didn't know is the fight she would put up.
Hello. What's going on?
Very violent.
Yo, this video started off so crazy. The first 5 seconds. The what? The daughter hit the mom because of what?
Multiple times because she wouldn't give her money to buy crack. What officers didn't know is the fight she would put up.
Hello. What's going on?
Very violent. Throwing things around.
Very violent. What happened?
I refused to give her money to go get crack. So she got mad at me and she wants the car. No, you're not going to have the car. Remember last time she took the car, she didn't come till the next day. And I'm sorry. I'm fed up already. She started hitting me. TV remote, everything on the floor. I don't know what she's doing now.
Did she like punch you or did she push you?
Punch me.
Punch you? Where she hit you at?
Here. But that's okay. I'll be all right.
You ready?
Inside.
What happened? I remember you.
You remember now?
Okay, so why are we here?
Because she called.
Okay, well there seems to have been a problem. There's a problem.
Okay, so you tell me the problem. She called. You tell me the problem.
Is that how you want this to go, or do you want to like be an adult and tell me the wires and all those wires?
I've been beaten up for 23 years. This bitch left me there. What do you want to talk about?
Left you where?
She called.
Well, you want to just brought up being beaten for 23 years, so you tell me.
She called.
Okay.
You asked her why she left.
I already asked her why we're here. She told
Okay,
me.
and you asked her why she left me there.
Left you where?
I just told you.
No, you said she left you somewhere. You didn't say where.
Oh no, she left me in an apartment right above her for 23 fucking years.
Okay, how old are you?
Well,
I was 29 when I met the asshole.
Let's do it later. If not, you'll have to do it later.
So you were an adult.
Talk about it later.
She doesn't think I'm an adult.
Why doesn't she think you're an adult?
Because she wants me off my antipsychotic, she wants me off everything. That doesn't work like that.
Yes, I have with us.
She made me mental. And now I live in a prison cell. So you ask her. Because I have absolutely no desire to talk to you. Don't like cops, don't want to be around them, so I'm done.
Okay.
How's that?
Well, not so good. So, we've already been told that because of the location, I guess she said that she didn't want to be the car. Or you
No, she hit me with a boot. See that boot?
The rubber boot?
Yeah.
He threw it.
So if she wants to interrupt, you go talk to her.
Well, she already told me her side. I'm just trying to get your side.
I don't have a side. And he
You don't have a
already
side?
has a fucking solution, and he looks all about 20. So,
You want to come out here or you want us to bring you out?
no, I'm not going anywhere.
Okay.
Come on. It's time to get to the action. She better tighten up. She better get her act together real quick, or they gonna get it together for you.
I guess we're going that way.
Don't make it more trouble. Let's just go inside.
For what?
Come on. Stand up. Stand up.
She wants us out now. She's throwing
Ma'am,
us
just go
out.
outside real quick, please.
Huh?
Wait outside, please.
I'm not going anywhere. I didn't do anything.
Stand up and come the easy way. Or it will not be fun.
Okay, so the person that calls is the person
You got
I was literally on mute. Come on, man. Hey, look, I give it to y'all raw and uncut, man. But what I was saying was, he told the mom to wait outside because it's about to get active.
3 seconds. You got 3 seconds.
Just come outside. Come on. Just let's go talk outside. We don't have to do this here. Let's go outside and talk. Okay? Can we do that?
No.
I'm gonna count to 3.
Okay.
1, 2. Okay.
I'm not going fucking anywhere.
Let's go.
Ow!
Stop fucking resisting.
Then stop fucking hitting me! Ow!
Let's go.
I got it.
I need my shoes!
We'll get you shoes. Come on.
You fucking hit me, you bastard!
Don't fight.
No, don't do more. Come on, let's go.
Are you gonna walk?
I'll get you shoes.
No, you won't!
Do I have to carry you like a toddler?
Stop! I'm not don't touch me!
Let's go.
You already
Come on,
fucking
come on.
hit me!
I did.
Yeah!
Excuse us. Jail.
See? You see what you did?
You need medication. They have medication jail.
No, they
I'll be
don't.
right back.
Put your shoes on.
We'll
He wouldn't fucking give them to
Grab
me.
her shoes, please.
Can you loosen these?
3 about 2. I gotta wait till 17. You can start being a supervisor up to use the force.
Stop. We're not doing that. Let's go.
Stop fucking hitting me.
No one hit you. We're pushing you.
No, you fucking hit me in my
did.
tit.
Oh no, that didn't happen. I hit you in the face.
Oh, fuck you.
Hey. Hello. Can you? Hey.
She's breathing. She's playing games.
I know. Hey. Come on. Sit up. You're resisting against me. I know you're awake.
Leave me alone.
Okay, I need you to turn around.
No,
because-
you don't.
Yes, I do. You're not sitting properly. Come on. Bring your leg out. We're going to fix you in the chair. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
You already fucking hit it. Leave me
on.
alone.
Come on. Come on. Put your leg on the ground. Come on. We got to fix you. Come on. Come on. Step out. Turn around. Sit down. Sit in there. Come on. Let's go. Can you sit in back in the...
I thought criminals were tough. They act like the biggest babies, I'm telling you. The biggest babies.
chair? Come on. Grab the gloves. Come on. Come on. Get in. Get in the car. Do not kick me. You will get another charge. You understand me? Get in the car. Come on. Step in and get in the car. Sit normally. Sit back. No, we're not doing that. Can you behave?
Get these off!
Lean back. Face away from me. No. Sit normally. Gotta have you sitting back for your own safety.
Fuck
Okay.
you! Mental fucking safety. You fucking hit me. You took me to a hospital. Dick. I got handcuffs on, you asshole!
Are you gonna lean back?
I am leaning back!
Why are you leaning back?
It's okay, hon. It's all right. It's okay.
He hit me! Both of them!
Both of them. No problem.
Yeah, no problem!
No, listening to you, that's it.
Hold on now. What they got going on over there? They got, what's that? Rachel's? Happy hour. Adult club and steakhouse. Woo! Ooh, wait. Where this at? This is where I need to be, you hear me?
I gotta fix the seatbelt on her anyways. It's behind her back.
Yeah, so you trying to fix it, and I need a picture of you. I just got back up.
That's because
lean
you
back
don't
for-
know how to put a fucking seatbelt
It was on
on.
in front of you. Can you just lean
Yeah.
back? Lean back.
Whatever you. Ow!
Alright, I'll go this way. Lean forward. Oh, you did take it off.
I didn't take fucking shit off. I got handcuffs on.
Oh, please stay in the car. There you
Fucking
go.
pushing me.
Well, you gotta leave the seatbelt on the way it's supposed
You
to be
didn't
on.
put it on right, asshole.
The camera, it said it was. Sorry, you want a picture of her standing up?
No.
No? Okay. Alright.
Ow!
Ow. You're standing here.
Yeah, I know.
Don't go nowhere.
He's fucking pulling me.
All right, just stay right
He
there.
hit me in my foot.
right.
He hit me in my chest.
Okay, we're gonna write it up. It's fine.
No, you're not gonna do shit.
Go take a seat, okay?
Alright, have a seat.
Take a seat, take a seat. Get the AC going real cold.
So you drag me out for
You need to
what?
get back. Hon, you need to get back in the car. Come on. Lift your legs up. Come on. Lift your legs up. There you go. Good job.
Fuck you.
Okay. Can you lean back for me, please? I gotta put the seatbelt on.
No, not that way.
He's fucking touching me.
She doing everything in her power to delay going down to the precinct or down, whatever, the jail. You know, come on, man. This is pretty much getting annoying, and the officers is gonna get real annoyed, man. Cause I'm annoyed watching it, so I know you annoyed. This is just ridiculous.
Try to put your seatbelt on. Stop. If you lean back, I can't fit around you.
I can't. I got handcuffs on.
All right, well, you gotta lean back so you can put the seatbelt on.
I
Oh,
can't.
Yeah, no.
Fucking moron.
Alright. Yeah, lean back for me. Lean back. Look.
Ow!
Lean back. Pick your arms up and lean back. We gotta buckle you in. Come on.
Get! You're choking me!
Literally buckling you in.
No! You're
See?
fucking choking me!
Lean back. There you go.
Ow!
Seatbelt's on.
Take her to jail.
Yep.
Throw her out here.
He hit me!
I'll do the paper.
Why? What'd she say?
Keep trying to put her head against it.
It's cool! Do you see me fucking sweating?
Was she hitting her head?
No, she's throwing her throat against this and
She's
throwing her legs
fucking
over.
imagining shit.
Pressure on it. All right, you ready to go?
Cool!
We gotta go though. You ready?
Go fuck
We'll
yourself.
put the AC on real cold in the car.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
So exactly why am I here?
Getting like to clear for jail. So we're gonna go to jail.
Dude, no one saw me! No one!
Come on, argue right here. Take her to jail. Come on, argue right here. You can talk around the car though.
No, I want a fucking doctor!
Come
You
on.
already talked to the doctor.
That's just what I thought. I mean, I like y'all content, Bodycam Files, but this is out of sequence. Like, cause I'm like, wait, didn't she have the hospital band on? And she said something about the hospital, and y'all showing this after. Cause what that scene that we just seen when they taking the photos and playing with the seatbelt and all that, that happened after this. So y'all gotta get y'all timeline, you know.
Ow!
Come on. 3, 2, 1. Get your flip-flops.
Why don't you fucking throw them at me again? I'm not fucking medically clear.
Sure you are.
Fuck you. Get your hands fucking off of me.
We have to hold you and make sure you don't fall.
Really?
Ooh, that hurt.
You told that.
Oh.
So you're prolonging everything now. Can you pull it back in so it's back on the track?
He can't even do that. Fucking waste of time.
Oh. Come on.
Stop!
Walk.
I can't breathe!
What do you mean you can't breathe? You're yelling. You're breathing fine.
Really?
That's how it works.
Okay, so I'm not having a fucking panic attack.
Okay. I got a mark. Alrighty. Go ahead and have a seat.
Fuck you. Can you loosen these?
Yeah, once you sit in the car.
They're loose, man.
No, they're not!
I will.
Sit in
Just
the
sit
car.
down. Put your feet in the car.
They're loose. They're gonna slide off.
I know.
Oh,
She was charged with resisting without violence and battery on someone 65 years of age or older.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.